Some breaking news coming in. Mega midnight protest over Kolkata horror. Women lead Reclaim the Night protest. Women nationwide hit the streets. Protests in Kolkata, Mumbai, Delhi and Hyderabad. Justice for Abhaya chorus gets louder. Mega midnight protest over Kolkata horror. Women lead Reclaim the Night protest. Women nationwide hit the streets. Protests in Kolkata, Mumbai, Delhi and Hyderabad. Justice for Abhaya chorus gets louder. Protests over the death of a 31-year-old female doctor trainee who was studying in RG Kar Medical College, who was brutally raped and murdered, are sprouting up not just in Bengal but nationwide. Women in Kolkata and several other parts of Bengal will hit the streets around midnight, that's basically around 11:55 p.m. today, to protest against the horrific rape and murder of a 31-year-old doctor at Kolkata's RG Kar Medical College and Hospital. The incident has shaken up the country and triggered nationwide protests. At demonstrations in medical colleges and hospitals across the country, doctors have demanded security on duty and, in general, safety for women. We have Ritik Mondal from Kolkata, Abdul Bashir from Hyderabad and Amit Bhardwaj from Delhi joining us live on the broadcast. Ritik, I will come to you first. Give us a sense of what really is happening on ground. Several protests have been going on in Bengal, in Kolkata, over the death of the 31-year-old victim. Tell us more.
Well, Chetna, we are currently at Kolkata's College Square area. Remember, today is going to be a very, interesting and definitely unprecedented night. What we know that with the claim of that Reclaim the Night, with this call on social media, several gatherings have been arranged in everywhere in Kolkata. We are currently bringing this broadcast from Kolkata's College Street area. Remember, 11:55 is the time which has been given. And we can see already many women have gathered over here. We have with us Aditi Roy. She is among the one. She gave the first call to gather. Ma'am, you were among who gave the call to get united on the eve of Independence Day, and it has triggered a huge, nationwide protest. What are the responses you are getting? This is only 11, and the time has been fixed for 11:55.
Yeah, first of all, I'll correct you. It's not my call only. I am not the first one. Yeah, I'm among them. Actually, this is the night is ours, or Reclaim the Night is an international movement which started 1975 in America's Philadelphia. So we are what should I say? We are inspired by that movement. Actually, we want the safety. We want our freedom. Why in night time we can't roaming around in our city, our area? This is the main question, which is we want to establish in this gathering.
Ma'am, I do understand this is something unprecedented is going to happen, because perhaps absolutely a political, call has been made and it has triggered a nationwide protest.
Yeah, it's triggered. That's true.
I would try to get some more voices, but ma'am, I believe it's going to be very, it's a memorable moment. I believe a huge number of women are on the street tonight. What are the messages you want to put in front of the nation and, of course, the entire world on the eve of Independence Day?
Actually, the independence we
irrespective of
have,
language, religion,
actually we don't have that independence. That is what brings together us here on this night, and I think
spontaneity of the movement which gathered all over West Bengal is huge, and that is what we expect. And that is what we expected, and we are grateful to our fellow women that they have the courage to face their activities. They have to stand. They stood up against these atrocities. This is all.
Let me tell you, Chetna, this is not the only place where in Kolkata people have gathered. There are at least over 40 places across the state where women are getting together to raise their voice. This is something unprecedented happening. I would request my camera person Probir Bishwas to pan his camera and show what exactly happening over here. With a lot of posters and banners. This is absolutely a political call. I believe some of the students, women, they have gathered over here with from far corner. Ma'am, where are you? आप कहाँ से आई?
हमें आंगुरपाड़ा থেকে এসেছি।
अच्छा, तो जरा बताइए कि जिस तरीके से ये मूवमेंट आज कल इंडिपेंडेंस डे है, उससे पहले महिला एक तरीके से पूरे देश में आज रात जिस तरीके से सड़कों पर उतरी है, क्या मांग है आप लोगों का?
আমাদের কিছুই চাই না। অনেকে বলছে যে এগুলো করে কিছুই হবে না, কিন্তু তা বলে কি আমরা চুপচাপ বসে থাকবো? আমাদের দেশে একটা গরু ছাগলের প্রাণ আমাদের মেয়েদের থেকে বেশি কিমতি। এখন বললে হয়তো অন্যান্য কোনো পার্টি ট্রিগার খেয়ে যাবে যে হ্যাঁ কেন গরু ছাগল তোলা হচ্ছে, কিন্তু আমাদের দেশে মেয়েদের কোনো সম্মান নেই। স্বাধীনতার এত দিন পরেও কোনো সম্মান নেই। আমরা এটা কবে পাবো?
I appreciate you joining, ma'am. This loud and clear messages are being given by the women. Remember, this is only 11 of the in the night. We believe that this crowd and gathering will go far beyond our expectations. Many more people have started gathered already on the other parts of the city as well. Back to you.